Welcome to this beautiful guided meditation on healing your inner child. This meditation is really designed to reconnect with your inner child, to heal and increase your self-worth and courage. So if you haven't already found a comfortable spot, just find yourself a spot to sit or lie and relax. Because this is your time now. A time to soften, a time to breathe, a time to reconnect with the parts of you that have waited so patiently to be seen. Find a position where your body feels supported. Take some nice deep breaths. And as you breathe in and out, just feel your body relax even more, releasing any tension that you might have. Just let it go. Let your shoulders drop. Let your breath slow. And let your mind know that it can rest. You are safe here. You are held. And you are allowed to take up space. Take a slow breath in and a long, gentle breath out. Feel the weight of your body settling. Feel the ground beneath you holding you without question, without condition. And with each breath, imagine a soft warmth spreading through your chest. A warmth that signals to you, you are safe, you belong, you matter. Let that warmth move down your arms, across your tummy, down your legs, all the way to your feet and to the tips of your toes. You are safe. You belong. You matter. Your whole body softening, your whole system settling. Now imagine a gentle pathway appearing before you. A path that feels familiar to you, comforting and peaceful. As you walk along this path, you notice a small light ahead, a warm golden glow. This light is the doorway to your inner child, the part of you that still remembers how to feel deeply, how to hope, how to trust, how to be brave, how to have fun. And when you're ready, step toward that light. As that light softens, you see a small version of yourself, your inner child, the you who once needed more love, more reassurance, more safety than they received. Notice how they look, Notice their expression. Notice how they hold themselves. They are not here to overwhelm you. They are here because they trust you, because they know you are ready. Gently approach them. Let them see your kindness. Let them feel your presence. Say to them softly, "I'm here now. I won't leave you." Let them respond in whatever way feels natural. A look, a gesture, a feeling. Sit with your inner child. Let them know they are safe with you. And just say to them what you want. You might say something like, "You didn't deserve the moments that made you feel small. You were always worthy of love. You were always enough." Just tell them exactly what you want to say. Watch how their body softens as they hear your voice. Watch how their eyes brighten as they feel your warmth. Let them lean into you if they want to. Let them rest. Let them be held. Now imagine a soft shimmer forming in your hands. A healing shimmer. A shimmery light made of compassion, understanding, and truth. Place this shimmering light gently over your inner child's heart. Feel it melting the old beliefs they carried for so long. Beliefs like, "I'm not enough. I'm not good enough. I'm too much. I have to be perfect to be loved." And just watch those beliefs dissolve. Softly, slowly, completely. Replace them now with new truths. And repeat silently to yourself, "I am worthy. I am lovable. I am allowed to take up space. I am safe to be myself. I am perfectly wonderful just the way I am." And let your inner child absorb these truths like warm sunlight. Now look into your inner child's eyes. See the spark there, the bravery they always had, the courage they were never praised for. Tell them, you were brave then, you are brave now, and together we will rise. You were brave then, you are brave now, and together we will rise. Watch as their posture shifts. Watch as they stand a little taller. Watch as they remember their own strength. Invite them to place their small hand in yours. Feel the connection, feel the unity, and feel the courage flowing between you. Now imagine your inner child stepping closer and gently merging with you. Their courage becoming your courage. Their innocence becoming your softness. Their hope becoming your strength. Feel them settling into your heart space. Feel the warmth of reunion. Feel the completeness of being whole. You are not alone inside yourself anymore. You walk with every version of you, and together you rise. What an amazing realization and an amazing feeling. Just sit with that for a minute now. Take a slow breath in and a long breath out. And notice just how strong you feel, just how courageous you feel, and just how good you feel. Feel your body again. Feel the room around you. Feel the new strength inside you. Your inner child is safe now, held, seen, loved. And you are worthy. You are courageous. You are whole. And when you're ready, you can gently open your eyes. Carry this softness with you. Carry this courage with you. Carry this truth with you. You are enough. You always were.